Hi guys, how to download Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3:2011. On PC, now open your web browser and navigate to the official Steam website. Download and install the Steam client on your computer. Here's a critical warning. Always check for store.steampowered.com in the URL to avoid fake sites. Open Steam and sign into your existing account or choose to create a new one. Here's a pro tip. Use a strong password and enable Steam Guard for extra security. Go to the store section and type Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3:2011 into the search bar. Click on the game in the results. Make sure you select the 2011 version, not the newer reboot. Because this is a paid game, click the Add to Cart or Buy Now button and complete the checkout using your preferred payment option. Keep an eye on your email for the receipt confirmation. Head to your library, select the game, and click Install. Once the download finishes, click Play to start the game.